captain, a stem, catch a wave on us. Take a shot, make a friend, just enjoy the moment. Blue sky.
Saturday Jump Nation family, Saturday, midday-ish. Woke up super late today. Me and Gigi are in Streatham. We're gonna hook up some food, we're super hungry, had a nice lay-in. Saturdays now, I've just decided to lie in a little bit. I was up till 2 o'clock yesterday getting an edit out.
3.
Oh, it's a bit!
3.
Oh, it's a bit! It's a B. Up till 3 o'clock yesterday in the morning, trying to get my latest video out. If you haven't seen it, make sure you go back and check it out. The jump rope labs are back, guys, and we've started off with a bang, and I want to see you guys sending me your videos, and I'm going to make sure I feature you. So we're going to get some food and enjoy the rest of the day, right?
Yeah.
So as usual, sit back, relax. Relax. And yeah, we're going to find you some entertainment and value somewhere along the line. Watch out. Jeez, man. Watch the road, woman. Here we are. So we're here at Brickwood Cafe. This is a recommendation from one of our cool social media friends. Big up Lindsay and Duncan. This is cool service. They just dropped a bottle of water on our table. They do gluten-free, so Gigi's happy. So I'm gonna look for something. What do I need? Some scrambled eggs. You know this place is absolute boss when behind the salt and pepper got some hot sauce as well, banging. Looks kind of white. I think I put too much milk in it, but this is the one. First thing in the morning, tea is a must. So check this out, peeps. This looks unreal. Got myself scrambled eggs on brown toast. A lot of avocado here, that looks good. And I also picked up these potato nuggets. What's Gigi got?
Avocado, poached eggs, and some extra fat chorizo.
I'm looking forward to tucking into this. This is so nice. Not gonna lie, guys. It's avocado, chili sauce. Gotta put chili sauce on everything. This is technically my breakfast, and I'll put chili sauce on my breakfast every single day. Can't live without it. Gigi, how you feeling?
Feeling sleepy. I'm so full.
That's why you're full. Look at that. You smashed. Oh my god. That's Gigi's plate. Focus. And this is my plate. As always, I couldn't make it happen. Too much avocado. I couldn't handle it. We are done. What a meal. That was nice, right?
That was super nice.
That was like one of the best breakfasts, brunches.
Oh my god.
Things are falling apart around us. No, you're not in, don't worry. You're on YouTube, don't worry, mate. Yeah, so yeah, that was cool, that was nice. My breakfast always consists of the same thing. It's gonna be eggs for protein. I'm gonna try and get avocado, but in England it's difficult to get really nice avocados, unless Gigi can hook it up. I need some sort of carbs like bread or potato, generally brown bread, and yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I can, I'll get myself some beans. I need to have beans with everything. Already mentioned that on my last vlog. Beans and chili sauce. Anyway, where are we off to now? I think we need to get the car cleaned. We've got a couple of guys coming around tonight. It is Man United, Man City tonight. We need Man United to win. I'm stuffed and tired. I think this is where we're gonna come every weekend. You're gonna see more of that cafe on my videos. It's about 1:30 now. So
Give me what I need, put the meat on my bones. I'll raise you on.
right, just picked up some money. We're gonna head down to the car wash. Need to go see my boys. I haven't got this car washed in time, like literally. How long has it been? Like 2 months? It's about 2 months, and I feel bad because I always tend to keep this car clean because it's my first real ever proper car. I used to drive a Nissan Micra was my first car. Yeah, that car was sick. A white Nissan Micra back in 2004. I had an accident, and then that car got written off. And then I got a Fiat Punto, actually a little bit similar to that one over there. Can you see that one? Gigi's looking at wrong cars. That's a Fiat over there, babe. 2005 to like 2015, I had that Fiat. Ended up buying this car, and I always promised myself I'm gonna just keep it clean. Check this out, we've got 2 rival car washes here. We're not going to that one, G.
Oh, sorry.
We're getting to this one. Best hand car wash in UK. That's exactly what it is. This place is proper serious. This is not even a flash car, I would say, but I'm not really much of a car person. Gigi doesn't even care about cars. She
I
doesn't
get to the wrong car all the time.
She doesn't even know what car we still got. There's been times when I've had to pick up Gigi from the station and she's like getting into some next man's car as I'm pulling in. I'm like, what are you doing? She goes, oh, I thought that was your car. Question marks. I picked it up for about £7,500 a couple of years ago. So yeah, a little bit of money. So I want to keep it clean, but I just don't have the time. And it's just such a bad excuse. I hate that excuse. I hate when people say they haven't got time to do something. I don't even have time, I'm saying now, to get my beard trimmed, my hair sorted out, and iron my clothes.
You don't iron your clothes.
I don't iron my clothes. We're moving. Yes! Gee, shit, there's a spider!
What?
You're always ahead, so I follow your voices. Whatever your voice is, I just put my faith in you. Feel so true. So whatever your choice is, can you feel that? Can you feel that?
Check out Gigi's jeans! What are those? Flipping out! Man, what is that?
Chili sauce.
Chili sauce on my new hoodie. I think Gigi's gonna go home and take a nap. I am going to get back to some comments, some emails, I think, and then I'm gonna get ready and we're gonna get a workout in. Right, just made it back home. Now 3:30. Time is just trying to straighten this out. Made it back. It's still not straight. Anyway, I can't be bothered. Right, so made it back to the studio. I'm gonna get a workout in for you guys, and what I want to share with you is that we've got 1 month now to go to the Expo, May 9th and 10th at London Excel, and I need to get into shape. The last few months have been super difficult. I've already mentioned the injury and the fact that I haven't been able to do any leg exercise. I haven't been able to really push myself, and I want to get back into the gym. I want to be skipping like I used to for kind of as long as I want. I'm going to get the heavy rope out. I'm going to take you guys through a quick workout. I'm feeling super energized. I had a lot of food in me. I'm going to get changed and we're going to get that mat out and we're going to get it done right now. So we're going to do that in 3, 2, 1. Right guys, welcome to the commentary. So in today's workout, I ended up using both the money rope and the legacy rope. Just to know, basically the money rope comes in at 120 grams or so, 115 grams, and the legacy rope is 400 grams, so just over 3 times heavier. And what I did is I split the workout into 3 segments, so I'm going to kind of discuss that more as we go along. But as always, I always start with my warm-up, which is the 1-arm swing. So I did this for about 2 minutes. I did some back stretches as well, but the camera battery had actually died on me, so I missed that out. But here I'm just sort of firing up the limbs, getting my body in sync as I always do. These 1-arm swings are so important, and I recommend you guys to use it. Right, so workout A, this is where I just used the money rope. What I tended to do is split this into 30-second bursts. So I start off with high knees. So I'm going to do high knees now, usually sort of 10 on each side, and we do this for 30 seconds. And I'm just kind of focusing on my timing, my footwork, and that's what's always going to be key for my workouts. The second movement is the run skip. So this is all back to back, no rest yet. So 30 seconds of the run skip, and then we go 30 seconds into double unders. Again, focusing on timing, just staying on the balls of my feet, my breathing, and then we go with some crossover. So this is all back to back, guys. This is how I generally train, just literally smash out as many moves as I can, but I keep it all structured. We then finish off with some double under crosses. So that's 2.5 minutes of straight skipping. So pretty advanced stuff. We then take a break, a rest for 1 minute between this cycle, and we repeat that 3 times. Workout B is with the legacy rope, and I'm going to quickly show you how it kind of measures up to my body. So I'm 6'1", which is about 186 centimeters, comes up to roughly the top of my shoulders. But let's have a listen to it in action. So hopefully you agree, it sounds pretty awesome. So the first step was the boxer step. Then we move into the run skip, which is the second exercise, and then straight into high knees. So again, this is all back to back, 30 seconds, and we're just replicating what we did with the money rope. Again, focusing on timing. This rope is so awesome to use. I mean, I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on it. Doing things like crossovers, it doesn't put so much strain on your wrist, and this is what I love about it. A lot of heavy ropes out there on the market today just really just going to mess a lot of people's wrists up over time because it's just too heavy for you. And what you want is an intense workout, but again, something that will just keep your joints in check and just allow you to manipulate the rope as well and do cool things with it. So here I'm doing a run double under. So this is a really cool move. You're just going to jump with your both feet and land on just the one. Really cool move. I like that. And yeah, literally we just do that for 3 times, rest 1 minute in between each set. Right, then we move into workout C. So this is where I kind of focus on the body weight exercises, and I really wanted to get these plyo squat jumps in. So I've been cleared to now start doing squats and kind of body weight exercises such as this. Like I said, it's been a year since my first operation. I had 2 operations over the summer last year on my hips, and I wasn't able to do any squats or anything plyometric type like this for a long time. So it's been good to get back in, just starting with some body weight exercises like this and moving into these lunge twists as well. So these are exercises recommended by my physio to just help me fire up my core, fire up my glutes, hamstrings, quads. I lost a lot of muscle following the hip surgery. Again, I wasn't able to walk for maybe 3 to 5 months last summer. So, you know, if you imagine that, I haven't run, I haven't jogged, I haven't done any kind of physical, real strong physical activity, and my legs have really suffered as a result. So it's just really good getting back into this. And then I just finished up with some press ups, just standard common press ups here, just focusing on going as low as possible, holding it and just exploding up. I hope you guys like these type of tutorials, videos, vlogs where I incorporate my workouts. I enjoy making them. This vlog is going to be a little bit longer, so just listen, sit back, relax. I hope you enjoy the rest of it. This workout in total took about 30 to 35 minutes.
That's the workout complete. So tired. Oh, I'm gonna get changed. I've got some mates coming around soon, and yeah, I need a nap. Got my main man here. Gonna introduce him to YouTube. Say what's up, Sonny.
What's up? How you doing?
Sonny D, aka my lawyer, aka one of my best friends. Finally making it onto the YouTube. What'd you do for RA?
Everything.
This guy is the brains behind keeping my legal shit tight. Yeah, man. Glad to actually be with some friends for once on this channel. Where you been, man?
You paid me to be here, didn't you? You ain't got no friends.
There you go. I got no friends.
The whole world's your friend.
And then we got the hookup here. My accountant. Say what's up to YouTube, Sam.
Well, yes! Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Samir, long time school friend.
Coming up Friday, yeah? Cool.
Get in United. 2-0 down. Come on, Pogs. Come on, get in. Come on. 3-2. 2-0 down. Chris Smalling. 3-2. United. You're gonna make me a happy man. Come on, you need to win this now. How the hell did we come back from that 2-0 down? Unbelievable game. Feeling happy though, man. United this season have just frustrated the hell out of me. Wait, what kind of toys you buying Aryan, man? He looks
Drunk.
This guy looks like he's on his high. Look at his eyes. Should we have a race on it?
Race down here.
Should we have a race?
Come then.
Come. Shall I run? I haven't run in a year.
I'll run.
Okay, warm up. You two, don't pull any muscle. Okay, ready? Go!
I was waiting for steady. My first. Yeah, it's true. I was waiting for steady. Jeez, in Argentina, I don't think they say steady, right?
No.
Ready, go.
What's steady, man?
I was like, what? That was my first sprint in a year. Oh! Did you get that? Game, set.
See you.
Take care.
See you later.
Ciao, guys. So Gigi and I are looking to look at my socks here. Gigi and I are looking to watch a film, and she's left her glasses in the gym, and I couldn't find my trainers. So there's a purse. Right, folks, it's now gone midnight. Me and G just gonna kick it, watch a movie. Really cool to have a couple of these guys come down. They live in the north of London, which is about an hour's drive. Don't get a chance to see my mates too often these days. Everyone's just kind of doing their own thing. Everyone's really busy with life, and obviously we're busy. And it's just nice to catch up with them. Make sure that I can leave this kind of thing to one side for at least a day or two, because it's consuming literally my life. Full time in the office, then we come back, and on the weekends we're here, we're packaging, we're doing emails, we're doing videos, we're filming. But this all started because I just followed my dream, I followed my passion, and I wanted to share something with the world. And yeah, skipping is pretty kind of small, it's niche. I saw a comment today on my YouTube which was really strange, like a guy telling me that this is such a niche kind of thing, and this is like such a shit idea to basically create a brand of. And That was not the idea. The idea was never to start YouTube to create a brand and make money and become some massive personality across the world. That is not what I'm looking for. I'm looking to literally break down the barriers for those who didn't like cardio, didn't want to get on treadmills, they were just bored and they were looking for another way to keep fit, to keep healthy. And I knew the skipping rope, when I was using it, I knew it was something I wanted to share with the world so that you guys could get all the benefits that I do, which is just a healthy lifestyle, just feel good about yourself, improve your mental game, all the stuff that I mentioned in the last few weeks with the vlogs with you. And this is just all I wanted to do. And yeah, we've got clothing now, we've got accessories, we've got everything to complement the skipping experience and make cardio slick, to make it just different. And that is my dream, which is just to make it more accessible to people out there and just touch more and more people's lives, because literally when you guys message me every single day, it's so inspiring. And when I hear these messages, when people, it doesn't faze me one bit, and if anything, it motivates me more. The platform that we're creating for future generations, I've always mentioned, like, we are the starting block. We're going to change cardio. We're going to change the future of cardio. And when people think, when people ask each other, what do you do to keep in shape? What do you do to keep fit? How do you stay in shape all year round? It's going to be something like, I do skipping. I use a jump rope. Or I learned from this person, because it's going to spread. More and more people are going to be doing it. And you've already seen it as well on social media and everywhere else. Like, I'm getting tagged left, right, and center every single day on my Insta. And it's so amazing. So no hate, just pure love. And yeah, we're just going to keep pushing. So I've got these cool size 3 fly nets from Gigi. Gonna call it a night there. I might even vlog tomorrow. If I don't, then I'm just gonna start editing and get this video up. Again, it's just about documenting the journey, letting you guys in a little bit more into the life, and hopefully you can get to know me and I can get to know you a little bit better. So listen, I'll catch you in the next vlog, or I'll catch you tomorrow morning. We'll see how it goes. Without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.